Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. This is our quick hands-on look at the Jabra Elite 85H. This is a pair of over-the-air wireless headphones, Bluetooth enabled, and I don't say this often, but this is probably the best pair of headphones I've checked out in a long while. In terms of over-the-ear headphones, there's a lot of features. For starters, you have active noise cancellation. It's an over-the-ear set. You have also some custom equalizer settings as well. And then on top of that, it also amplifies ambient noise. So if you're trying to have a conversation with someone while still wearing the headphones, you'll be able to hear them, no problems whatsoever. Now, three things really jump at me. The first one's the design. It may look pretty contemporary. I wouldn't say it's the most stylish thing, but at least there's some substance with the design. It features these tilting ear cups here so it could rest, and what's unique is that that's how you actually turn on the headphones. There's no power switch. You basically tilt the earbuds, the ear cups like that, and they power on automatically. It feels good over the head. There's a good amount of flex to the band itself. There's some supple cushioning around the ear cups, so very comfortable to use. They have this mesh type material around the outside portion of the headphones. Now, I'm not really too much of a fan of this material because it kind of gets a little bit dirty, but the whole thing is water resistant. So you can use the headphones in the rain and you don't have to wear it all. Now with the right side here, you have these physical buttons up and down. You could adjust the volume, and you also have a middle multi-function button for pause, play, and other functions. You have also the auxiliary jack port. If you want a wired connection, it charges via USB Type-C. You have your voice assistant button here on the right side, and on the left you have a signal button, and this will basically cycle through the different modes, whether it's the active noise cancellation or the hear through mode where it amplifies ambient noise, or you can just turn it off if you want. The cool thing also is that the active noise cancellation for me that I've tested out so far is probably one of the best out there. As far as the performance, I'm pretty happy, especially considering that there are equalizer settings you could customize. So if you're more of that bass type person, you could do that, or if you prefer something a little bit more treble, you could also adjust it to your liking, which is great. Now, the Jabra Elite 85H is pretty pricey. It's up there, it's $300, but for the entire package, given the water-resistant construction, the active noise cancellation, the hear-through technology, and also the custom equalizer settings, it is a solid package. And like I said earlier, it's probably one of the best pair of headphones I've checked out in a while, especially in the over-the-ear segment. So if you guys want to learn more about the Jabra Elite 85H, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.